Hello everyone, this is Enea here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this triangle-based geometric line art figure in Affinity Designer. This figure is composed of two sets of equilateral triangles that are positioned at equal distance intervals within a circle. This figure is similar to the patterns that are found in dream catchers. Alright, so to get started we go to File New and we create a new composition. We give it 2000 by 2000 pixels in dimensions. And we click on Create, and then we'll make sure that Snapping, Snap to Spread, and Snap to Object Bounding boxes are enabled. And then we're going to start by drawing the circle, so we take the Ellipse tool, we set the fill to None, we leave the stroke as black, and we set the stroke width to 1 point. And then, starting from the middle of the composition, and while holding Ctrl and Shift to expand from the center and keep the 1:1 proportion, we go ahead and we create a circle of about 1400 pixels in dimensions. And then we're going to draw the first equilateral triangle. So the way to create equilateral triangles in Affinity Designer is to take the polygon tool and to set the number of sides to 3. And then, starting from the middle of the composition, and while holding Ctrl and Shift to expand from the center and keep the 1:1 proportions, we go ahead and we expand the triangle until it snaps to the bounding box of the circle. So now we have our first equilateral triangle. And then we take the Move tool and we select the triangle. And we are going to duplicate it, so we go here to enable Transform Origin. We make sure that the rotation center is in the middle of the composition. And then we press Enter to bring out the Move Duplicate panel. So the first set of equilateral triangles is going to be composed of 36 triangles that are spaced by 10 degrees. So here we check on Duplicate and we set the number of copies to 35. And we set the rotation angle to 10 degrees. And this gives us the first set of equilateral triangles. And then we go here to the Layers panel. We press on Shift. And we select all the triangles. And we press on Ctrl G to group them together. And then we press on Ctrl J to duplicate the group of triangles. And we rotate it by 5 degrees in the Transform panel. And this gives us the second set of triangles. So now that we have the two sets of triangles, we are going to add some colors to them. So we are going to set the colors to blue and yellow, which are complementary colors. Complementary colors means colors that are on opposite side of the color wheel. So if we want to set complementary colors in a precise way, we cannot do it within the Affinity interface, we need to use an external tool. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this page by Canva, which has the color wheel, and it allows us to set complementary colors. So this page is free and easy to use. I will add the link for it in the description below so that you can try it. So here at Choose a Color Combination, we set it to complementary. And then we select one of the nodes and we move it in the color wheel. And this gives us automatically the complementary color. So we'll set them to blue and orange. And once we are satisfied with the color combination, I'm going to copy one of the colors. And then I will go here to the Affinity interface and I will select one of the group of triangles. I will select the stroke color. And then I will paste the color code for the blue color. And then I will do the same for the orange color. So I'll go here and I copy the color code for the orange color. And I go to the Affinity interface. I select the second group of triangles. And then I paste the color as a stroke color. And this sets the color of the second group of triangles to orange. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create a triangle-based geometric line art figure in Affinity Designer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Affinity Designer tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time, bye!